Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you the latest feature introduced by Google, which allows you to share your Google search results with anyone using a link. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest videos. And the stage has been set, let's get started. So Google is rolling out a new feature which allows you to share search results with others. To know how to do that, so make sure you have the latest version of Google installed in your Android. If not, just go to Play Store and look for update for Google and just update it. So once you have the latest version of Google search engine updated in your Android, just go to Google search widget in your Android and tap anything which you want to share. And once the search results are given for the text you search for in Google, you could find a share button is also shown beside the mic icon. This is a newly introduced feature by Google. Just tap on it and you could find different applications to share the search results like Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, anything. So for this video, let me copy this to the clipboard and the link has been copied. So I can share this link or URL to others, and when they receive, they can paste in the Google search and tap on enter. Now these are search results which I shared with them. So this is a simple way to share Google search results with others using the share option which is recently introduced by Google. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for latest videos like this. See you soon.